Hey guys, it's Dallas Schilling from the 2 Hour Circle. I'm with our favourite historian, Jacko, and we're going to hit 15 locations. So the first one up, mate, I reckon this was a barber shop because that's the railway workshops directly across the road. This must have been the barber shop. True or false?
False. It was a shop with 3,000 men in its heyday. They needed somewhere to go and grab something to eat.
All right, guys, we're going to keep going. We've got 15 of these to do today, and let's see if I can get one right. See you soon.